Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you are new here. This video is in collaboration with Anna, so go ahead and check out the link to her YouTube page in my description box. So we're going to be making this Egglettes. It's as seen on TV, but I found it at the Dollar Tree for $1. So I wanted to test it out. It comes with these 4 little silicone cups. And it states that you want to wash those thoroughly. It also says to make sure that you use oil or cooking spray when using these so that the egg doesn't stick to the inside of them. So yeah, we're going to start by washing them, and then you will see me line them with butter because I didn't have any cooking spray or oil available. When you are done lining your little silicone containers with your oil, cooking spray, or butter, you want to go ahead and fill them with the egg to the fill line. The egg really doesn't matter. These are large eggs and they fit in there perfectly fine. So yeah, once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and get your water to a rolling boil, and then you're just going to stick them in. Don't worry if they don't touch the bottom. They do float like little bobbers, which I thought was pretty cool. So the cooking instructions do specify what kind of egg that you want and how long the duration should be that you stick them in for. So since I want a hard-boiled egg for the avocado toast that I am making, I'm going to go ahead and cook them for the 13 to 16 minute time frame. I am going to start out with the lower number at 13. Once they are done, after the 13 minutes, I'm going to check them. At the 13-minute mark, I'm going to go ahead and check them. Spoiler alert, they were still soft on the inside. You can see them jiggle. So I put them in for another 3 minutes and they were perfect. So we are making avocado toast. So while I'm waiting on my eggs to finish boiling, I'm going to go ahead and cut up my avocado. I will spread that all over the toast, and then I will pull the eggs out. Be super careful when pulling these eggs out because they are extremely hot. The handles are not hot at all, but whenever you go to unscrew the lid on them, the boiling water kind of sits underneath the ledge of the lid, and it is very hot. So I poke the egg with my butter knife to ensure that it is done, and it is. I slide my knife around the exterior and the egg slides out so well that I actually was shocked. Like, I gasped for air. I thought it was pretty cool. So I'm just going to pull all of these out, and then I will cut up my egg and finish off the avocado toast with some lemon juice.
You make me feel like I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. I do, I do, I do, I do believe in lovers like me and you. Yeah, you just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do. I do, baby, I do, I do, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose, let loose, let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, 'cause I do.
That is it for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to go take a look at Anna's channel. Thanks for watching.